Okay, I'm on the U.S. flagged vessel, the Salish, the Port Townsend ferry. So there's the sunrise. It's 8 a.m., little after 8 a.m. We just left. That whistling noise is from the wind. Check this out. There's literally a cargo bay below us. Cars can just drive right on, right off. There's 2 lanes getting on and off, but there's like 6 lanes of parking up there. So notice there's one more level above us. Obviously, anyway, weird. The pilot's a woman. That's kind of cool. Anyway, all right. So now I'm going up to the top level, which they call the sun deck. See, up there is what they call the cockpit or whatever. At least that's what's called on an airplane. I don't know what they call it on a boat, but there's one at each end, so it just keeps going back and forth. Looks like they have a crew at each end too, so it's not like the crew has to run from one end to the other or anything crazy like that. That's what they do on trains. They usually only have a crew at the front of the train, so if they want to reverse, they literally back up or whatever. Weird. There's like 3 women working up here, so it's like the whole crew here is women. I just noticed that. For some reason I thought most, pilots were guys. I stand corrected. Alright, so there's the sunrise again. Ooh, just a little bit pretty. I can see it's weird. We are making a big mess in the water, but it's not like a wake like a skinnier boat would leave. Oh cool, there's people walking down there. I didn't know it'd be safe to do that, because look at it. The only thing between them and falling back is that little net. Keep your distance. I see we're going parallel to the town of Port Townsend right there. Ooh, oops. So. There's one passenger elevator, but they asked it for only be like elderly and handicapped. The rest of us should use the stairs. As you can see, there's a ladder here. We're not allowed to use that. Bummer. That'd be fun. I know a jungle gym when I see one. All right. That's the island where we're going. It takes about 15 minutes to get there, so I got plenty of time. Boy, that's a cold wind. I'm about ready to go inside or I'm gonna get frostbite. Holy cow. Wow. Wow. Dud. Hear that noise. But, so anyway. Ooh, let's have food. Notice they got nice big windows, multiple types of seatings. They got like individual seating and bench type seating, so you sit by yourself or with a group of people. So, all sorts of good stuff. You got a whole bunch of brochures over there, tourist quality information, stuff to go and do. What's interesting, they don't really have what I'm looking for. Oh well. See, dogs are allowed out here. Pets aren't supposed to be indoors, but the pets are allowed out there. So it's only a 15-minute trip, so they should be able to hold it. Huh, cool. See, there's stairs up and down here. Windows are almost clean. Not ideal, but oh well. There's a lot of people walking in lap suit here to stay warm and get their exercise. There's a nice map. So let's see, this is where we're going. Fort Townsend, right in the middle of Whidbey Island. There's only one bridge to the island, otherwise you got to take a ferry. This map's not very good. It shows this is the ferry I'm taking. There's another ferry down there that I think goes to Seattle. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, okay. You know what? I think I'm wrong. Holy cow. Looks like there are two. Maybe there's a bridge here, unless that's the ferry. Yeah, that's the ferry. So ferry. I think there might be an actual bridge there. Maybe it's the third ferry. Interesting. Okay. Then you go down here. So this deck is closed. What's funny is it says that there's emergency evacuation. This is where we're supposed to go. It's like, how the heck do we go here if it's closed? Oh well. Mezzanine deck. There's a catchy name. Mezzanine basically means middle. But, you know, the middle of what? Middle of nowhere. So, here's the parking garage. See, it's not exactly full today, but anyway. Not sure how far forward we're allowed to go. Okay, it says keep clear, so I will keep clear.